In this session, we're going to cover catalog lookup for your online suppliers. So coming from your home ribbon, if I go to Setup, I do have the capability of telling the system how many online suppliers I want to be able to search at a single time. So at the very bottom of your setup, during Workstation Setup Settings, click on that. Here you're going to see Catalog Lookup, number of suppliers to be searched simultaneously. You can search up to 3 at one time. You can also pull the inventory at the same time by checking this box. Now, before you do this, my suggestion to you is you're going to go up to your online supplier list here. Go to your list, and then you want to put the order of which you want for them to come up. Remember, it's going to work from the top down. So if this supplier happens to be my number one supplier, I want to click, hold my mouse down, and drag it up. If this is a supplier that I like to use, I can do that also. So I want to work it from the top down. Now, when it comes to tires, don't worry about tires. Whenever you're looking up a tire, it will automatically skip the part suppliers and go straight to the tires. Now remember, on most of these connections here, if you open them up by double clicking and go to the settings, you can tell the system also if you want to show available items only. So it's only going to bring across what they have available. If you're using WorldPack Speed Dial, you can also set the setting to use VIN code. So to use the VIN whenever you're going into Speed Dial. So once you have these orders set here, you save it. Then we'll come here, tell it how many we want to search. We'll go do up to 3 here. So we're going to do 3 catalogs or online suppliers at once and the inventory. And we'll save it. Remember, this is a workstation setting, so it's per computer. Let's go over to a work order and see how it works. So here I have this Buick. Now, if I just want to do a single part, I can certainly do that. So let's say I want to look for oil filter. I go to my catalog lookup. See, and immediately it starts launching all 3. And then see, I can just simply click and go right through the list and inventory. Okay. If I don't want to do that, I want to pull all of this information across. Very simple. I just go to my first service, box it in. I go up to catalog, look up at the top screen. So once I do this, what the system will do is it will automatically start working its way down. So you see the labor is black here, so we don't need to look up anything here. The first thing we need to search is the oil. So I'm going to pull my oil from inventory. Now I need to see where is my oil. So it's looking in this particular category. So I can search the whole thing, hit search, pull up all my oils. Once I select the oil that I want, click and apply. Now it's going to drop to the oil filters. So I'm going to go to my number one supplier, see what they have. See, it's only showing availables. So if I want to pull a filter, click it, apply. Now it goes down to the next service package. It does this automatically. Apply. Cabin air filter. Again, if I want to search other suppliers, I can do that. Bring that back. Air filter labor. Apply. I do have this one in stock. Now let's go to this last vendor here. So if I have more than 3 vendors and I want to drop to the next vendor in line, what I do is I go to the third one here. Since I'm looking at 3, open the drop down. Now I can go to my other vendors if I wish. So you're just going to have to do these one at a time. Now this one's in inventory, so we're going to select it, apply, and then it will ask me, do I want to pull it from inventory or do I want to order it? First I say pull from inventory. Okay. Now I'm done. All the items you looked up online will be residing under purchases, waiting to be ordered. And that is how to set up your catalog lookup settings and how to utilize the catalogs in a work order.